I bet you're asking yourself right now, what the heck is a cryptic clock? Hello, I'm Guy, and this is a cryptic clock. I've been making weird clocks with my co-collaborator Dave Bruckenstein, who is in North Carolina, and I'm up here in Maine. And what's interesting is we've made about 15 of these clocks over the last several years, yet we've never met in person. We do all of our work by phone and video chat and email and text. And we design the clocks together, and then I build them. And then I send them to him, and he has a collection of weird clocks in his house. The ground rules for these clocks are that they need to look sculptural and nothing like a clock, but they do show the time accurately, or reasonably accurately. So what is a cryptic clock? This is a cryptic right here, and this is the decoder for the clock. Right now it's showing nonsense. But on this side here, on the left side, these cryptic areas here can be decoded by placing this window in front of 12 sections here, from 1 through 12, that's the hours. And then on the other side here, it shows minutes from 0 through 55. So let's trigger it right now. I'm going to take this key fob and place it against the front here. And in a moment, there it is. It's now going to show the time in hours, as you can see, and then it'll pause, then it'll come down and show the minutes in 5-minute increments. So there we are. That's what a cryptic clock is. So let me give you some close-up shots, and also I'll show you on the back how I set the time. So I can reach around from the front here and hit 2 buttons, one on this side and one on this side. This one, every time I push it, it advances the time by 1 hour. So you see it's gone 1 further hour than it was before. And if I press this button over here, now it's going to show me 5 more minutes than it was before. So it's down 1 step lower here. I'll give you some detailed close-up shots of it working, but that's the idea here. Pretty simple, but pretty complicated. This box here is actually filled with electronics. So there's the RFID sensor, the stepper motor drive, the power supply, the electronics that I designed, and of course this linear rail, which is a very high precision ball feed linear rail that would be used for, say, 3D printer or something like that. So there you have it.